Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're new, welcome for the first time. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing for my new Logitech 4K Pro webcam. I'm currently using the C922, and I was just at Best Buy, decided to upgrade. Not too sure I really need to, but why not have a better webcam, you know? So let me get onto here and just give you a little look-see on the website. So here's the one I currently have. The C922, it's Pro Full HD. This one shoots at 1080p and 720p. At 1080p, I believe it only shoots at 30 frames per second, but at 720p, it'll shoot at 60 frames per second. That's the max. And it's pretty good. That's the one I'm using right now. And the quality is fine. I think the 4K might let more light in, so it might look a little better. Oh, it's kind of dark down here. But it might be because I'm just using a window, my ring light, but my monitors are blocking like the bottom from pretty much my neck down, so the natural light's not getting in. And the Logitech 4K Pro webcam is what I picked up today, and it's originally $199. It's on sale on the website, as you could see, for $149.99, and at Best Buy it was $149.99. And it looks like that's just a regular sale, and I don't think it's a Black Friday sale. So I believe I'm Best Buy Elite. So if it does go on Black Friday sale, I could probably still return it and get the difference. So this is the one that I have. This one, I believe, let's see, it shoots up to 90 frames per second. Doesn't say specifically if it's 4K or 1080. So I would assume it would be 1080. But on the box, it says 1080p 60. Is it right there? Then I'm guessing 720 probably shoots at 90, but I don't know. I am just doing the unboxing. Well, let's see what it says here. Achieve blah blah blah. Logitech 4K captures every detail. Frame rates up to 90 frames per second. It still doesn't say. It's in the paragraph where they're talking about 4K, but I guess I could look it up later. But anyway, I will now switch cameras to my my iPhone. Hopefully it's working here, so you could watch me unbox. But for now, I will be unboxing the Logitech 4K Pro webcam. All right, let's transition out. Now you could all see what I'm doing here. So let me just turn a little bit. Still have the mic right here. Let's get here and let's get going. Got a bunch of stickers. Guessing either side is fine. Let's do this side. Right, I don't think we'll need this. All right. Oh my God. Whoa. Damn, that's really in there. Might have to push it out from the other side. Okay. Trying not to cut myself. Oh, Lord. There we go. Okie dokie. Let's try to push this out. Now I'm banging on the microphone. Great. Oh my God. There we go again. All right. Here we go. Sweet. Box is off. Drop that. Let's see what we got here. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Terrible lighting, but that's what we have. Gently, gently. So here's the actual webcam. Okay. I don't want to take it off just yet because I see something else in here. What do we have here? Probably just the wires, I would guess. Jesus. All right. Let's get this open. It's always a struggle. All right. We have a USB-C to USB. Let's see behind the webcam if I could get this out without breaking it. All right, cool. So USB-C plugs in to the back of the webcam, and then the USB 3, as you can see in the plastic, would go into your computer. I did read on the box that if you have a USB-C to USB-C, it should still work. I currently will probably use it with regular USB, so I could plug it into the back of my Mac Mini. The only other open USB-C port is on the front, and I don't want to plug it in there. Comes with a chamois, or whatever you call these things. Oh no, this is actually a case. That's pretty cool. The webcam comes with its own case. That says Logitech right there. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Put that there, and then it comes with what I guess is an adapter. Maybe if it doesn't fit, if this here doesn't fit on your monitor, I'm guessing we could adapt it. Let's see. See what it says. Plug it in, mount it up. Doesn't say anything particular about... Oh, there it is. Oh, I think it's a privacy shade right there. But it's cool. You could take this bottom piece off here, unscrew it, it looks like, and then you could put it on a tripod. Oddly enough, this webcam was like $200 regular. It does not come with a mini tripod. And then my old one, the C922, was $99.99. I bought it bundled with my Blue Yeti here, and that one actually did come with a little mini tripod. But I don't need two, so one is fine. But there it is. This is really nice. I mean, the C922 is nice as well. I'll probably give that to my girlfriend. But we will test this out. I think I might do another video where I'll try to set up... actually, let me move the camera back to my full setup with just my face and talk into the camera. So what I'll probably do is another video like this. Should work. I don't know, because I've never done it before. I might be able to do both of my webcams here and then see which one looks better. You might not be able to see, because if I post it in... Oh, yeah, I could post the video in 4K, and then you'd probably be able to see the quality difference. I think you might more likely be able to see the difference in lighting, because this one is supposed to be better, you know, taking in more light. And since it's 4K, more pixels, you could zoom in more on this one. And I think it might have dedicated software, but this is the new 4K Pro webcam. Let me just pull up the website again, so I'm not going crazy. Right there. It is, I'm putting it right below my webcam here. It is about the same length, a little bit longer. You could definitely tell it's made better. Not that the C922 is cheap. This is just, seems like a higher quality webcam right here. So I will play with that in a bit. And like I said, comes with the webcam. It comes with a pretty long USB-C to USB cable right here. It probably is about 2 feet, it looks like. So you could connect it to anything, most likely. And it comes with the privacy shade if you want to put this over the camera. So Big Brother can't see you while you're sleeping, I guess. And last but not least, let me just double check. Yeah, it comes with the case if you want to take your camera with you anywhere. And that is pretty much it. I am, like I said, going to post another video with the comparison. If you have any questions about it, maybe just leave them below and I'll answer whatever I can for you. I don't think I'll do like a video like describing it. I think this is probably enough. What else is there? Well, I know I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna put it out probably after this, maybe a couple hours or a day, where I'm gonna talk about new format. As you all know, I try to make these videos as quick as possible. I want to like unbox something or teach you a task or how to use a camera setting like as fast as possible. And I notice I'm keeping them at about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. But when I watch my videos back, I feel like I'm talking a lot in the beginning. So my next video will kind of be talking about how I'm doing, what I might want to do, and if anyone has any thoughts. I just want to maybe get my videos to be even shorter, like I'm rambling now. I hope you like this unboxing. Again, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If not, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace, guys.